Hi, my name is Fred Aberly, and I work with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of 255 Scout Dorado. This is a Carolina Classic design boat built with entertaining and fishing in mind. The boat is navigated through an instrumentation with a 10-inch Garmin GPS. It comes also with a Garmin VHF. The boat is powered by a 300 horsepower Mercury engine. The range on this boat is about 170 miles. She has plenty of soft seating aft, great layout for entertaining with your friends, yet the boat also enables you to move completely around unobstructed when you're fishing. Other little accents of this boat include a great little summer kitchen, barbecue setup area, Yeti cooler, full stereo package, carries 20 gallons of fresh water, and a very, very substantial size head. So you can go in here, change your clothes, go ashore for evening for dinner, and have a great time on the boat. Please come visit us. MarineMax, Westbrook, Connecticut. 860-399-5581 is our number. My name is Fred Aberly. Please ask for myself or any other knowledgeable salespeople we have on our staff. Thanks for watching.